We have made a page separately for women, which is Smart as You. That is the only separate page apart from our brand page. It makes sense to have separate content pages, and I think long term. I think people when we are talking about content, I think most of the brands which has ignored is more of a what we call vernacular content. I think it is important to have those content in vernacular. Apart from different content, let's say I am putting for women, I might create something for what we call as wisdom investor. We can put content for parents, but the most of the content, the core remains very same. But it is important, what we are ignoring is like is a vast majority who cannot really speak English. See, in India probably 2/3 they don't understand English, and probably less than 20% who can actually read and write English. So the problem is like today if I'm only my content completely in English, I'm really excluding a large segment of population. With a mobile today, everybody has a reach. With a again mobile which is currently having no longer that basic mobile. If you go to rural India or semi-urban India, everybody has a top-end mobile phone, and he's consuming content. He's consuming content, he's looking at sites, he's looking at videos. So how can I make my strategy in a manner so that I'll reach the 100% of India, or at least the India which is there through the smartphones, irrespective of where he is, irrespective of the language we want to do. So will I give him an option, like today he want to translate the content, he can translate in his own language. Will I give him an option, if you want to see that same video, you want to listen to in his own language, he can listen? Because if in my call center, if I got 5 language people options, that means I fundamentally agree that people don't understand English and Hindi. Why can't I provide the same option through my videos? Why can't I provide the same option in my Facebook page? So I think that's the way we need to really think going forward.
Wow. Not many people actually talk about being vernacular on social media.
Yeah, because you have to be, see why we speak our languages. Like we are all staying in Bombay, we can all converse in English, but I'm sure you'll converse in your local language at your home. You feel much more comfortable. Your most emotions come out in social language. Sorry, in your own vernacular language. Even like an abuse will be more harder when you hear it in your own language rather than in English and Hindi, if it is not your mother tongue. So mother tongue is very, very critical, and because you have grown, all your emotions are really brought out the best out of that. So as a brand, if I want to connect with you, there is no better way than connecting with your vernaculars, with your local language. But the problem in the content is like curating the content and working on the content. Why the brands have not gone vernacular is in maintaining the flow of content. So what it means that you cannot just translate English to that vernacular language. You will not get the essence of the communication. You need people who understand the language. People who understand, again, you need people in a brand level who will also approve that language. It's almost like creating multiple movies, and it is not that making a Hindi movie dubbed in different languages. It is almost like how to really making Hindi movie and Malayalam movie and Tamil movie together, and how a brand team understand all 4 languages.